Another request today, the humble pigeon.
Okay, so this is another mix starting with the 3-2-1 mix. This is a nice grey, 3 parts titanium white, 2 parts permanent blue, 1 part burnt umber. I've got some ivory black and more titanium white out over here. You'll see those getting used in a moment, but first off I'm going to create a pile of grey and divide it into 2. Okay, so 2 equal piles of grey there, and what we're going to do is we're going to take some of the white and mix it in. And we're going to create a decent sized swatch of the next colour down. I'm not going to clean the palette knife, I'm just going to collect a bit more white, mix that in. Keep on going. Remember every so often just to unload any paint that's built up on the back of the palette knife. That's pretty much all the way from grey through to the white. And now I'm going to do exactly the same thing again with the black. And this is going to give us, as well as the range of tints, this is going to give us a range of shades. And again, this first one, nice big pile of the colour, and with a nice dirty palette knife I'm going to pick up another pile of black, and we'll keep on going. Same again, a little bit more this time. Use the last of that up, although we're pretty much there. Okay, so that's the grey shades from the very lightest to the very darkest. Now we just need one more colour to finish this off, and that is the bright green lake. Absolutely insane colour. Not going to be putting a lot of this one out. Nice clean bit of white here, fresh titanium white. And let's introduce this a little at a time. A little more. I think we're about there. Slightly green, more on the yellow side, and we just need to take that and put it on in incredibly fine highlights, so the finest brush you've got, maybe even just 1 or 2 hairs. There you go. Now if you want to, you can of of course put a bit more of that in. To taste, you could even use it straight from the tube, but you ideally want to calm it down a good bit. I'll let you make your own mind up on that one.
So there you have it, the humble pigeon. No cityscape would be complete without. So hopefully that's been useful to you today. If it has, please don't forget to hit the like button. As always, thank you very much for watching. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.